insane Amazon deals happening exclusively this week that you're not gonna wanna miss. Hello everyone, I have done all of the research and found the top deals that are happening right now on Amazon. So from May 13th through the 19th, there's a special promotion happening. If you spend $50 on Amazon Beauty, then you will get a $10 promotional credit. And there are some insane Amazon Beauty deals happening this week. There's a special event going on. And so I'm gonna run through the must-have, some of my all-time favorite Amazon Beauty products that I have used for so long, as well as some new discoveries. And to shop these items, you can check out the description box down below, and I will also have them pinned as the top comment down in the comment section. Let's go ahead and talk some deals. Kicking it off with one of my favorites. This is such a good look for less for the drunk elephant. Fraction of the price. I love this. This is like the key to your glowy, healthy, bronzy summer skin. And I will have all of the items listed down below with the sale price right beside the item. So if you want to know what the specific sale is, just head to the description box. This is amazing to wear on its own for just a healthy glow, or you can mix it with your foundation to kind of give it that glow that it needs. I mean, an absolute must-have. Bestseller on Amazon, and I get the medium glow on my skin, but remember, I do self-tan, and a little bit goes a long way. It's a summer must-have. Over 79,000 star reviews over on Amazon. This is gonna be a fan favorite in this sale, the Wow Dream Coat. It's called the Supernatural Spray. Basically, it's your best friend if you have a frizzy hair. And essentially what this does is just waterproofs your hair when there's humidity, if your hair just tends to get frizzy really easily. Spray this in your hair when it's damp. So you don't need to use this every single time. When you shampoo and condition your hair, section your hair out, spray it out. Just spray it in there and then repeat, do whatever the rest of your routine is. But you only need to use this every 3 to 4 washes. So a little bit goes a long way, and it is so effective. Game changer. CeraVe goes way back for me. I have been using their products for literally, I think it was one of the first skincare products I ever used, because when I started to get some breakouts, I kind of wanted to start wearing makeup in high school. The dermatologist recommended CeraVe. And honestly, to this day, it's like one of the most recommended brands. Really gentle, really effective on your skin. And I've used their cleanser, their moisturizers. They are just the absolute best. And I also like their thicker tub for a moisturizer on my body, because again, it's a very sensitive prone moisturizer. It gives that light hydration without feeling greasy. It's honestly just a tried and true. I recommend it to so many people. I know so many people who swear by this, so now's a great time to stock up. But speaking of lotions, this is actually a newer discovery I discovered around Christmas time of this year. EOS actually started a line of lotions. Oh my word. The smell of this lotion is incredible. I have the vanilla cashmere, and it is so amazing. It's a really lightweight moisturizer. So when you put this on, it's going to give you that subtle scent, but also it's going to moisturize without feeling greasy. And a little bit goes a long way. This is a 16 fluid ounce. Love that it has a pump, really lightweight, but gives you that moisture that you need. Taking the internet by storm, the Dyson Airwrap is also included in this sale. So if you've been wanting it, now's the time to snag it. And also remember, you do get that, promotional $10 credit. If you spend $50, which you would if you get the Dyson, but it comes with the different attachments. I know some of my friends who have really long hair, they swear by this, as well as people who have shorter hair as well. So also comes with a case that you can travel with, which is a huge perk. And it comes in a few different color options. If you have sensitive teeth, sensitive gums, and you haven't tried the Sensodyne Clinical White line, this is such a good toothpaste. And I love that over time it helps to whiten your teeth too, which is great. Or even if you whiten your teeth, but you want to prolong that, you drink coffee, teas and things like that that can stain your teeth, this is a great one to grab. And I love the Sensodyne line because it's sensitive prone, but also gives you the benefits that you want. Everybody's favorite, the Olex shampoo and conditioner, and their number 3 repair and strengthen, as well as the oil, are all included in this sale. I would say if you get one thing, I would recommend getting the number 3 repair and strengthen. So what this is you will shampoo your hair. You can use Olex shampoo. Then you will let this sit in your hair for about 10 minutes. So this is a great time to do this if you're gonna shave, if you're gonna exfoliate, maybe you're just having like a self-care bath. This is great. Leave this in for 10 minutes, rinse out, and then you can finish with your conditioner if you want. It's very moisturizing, but over time, this is a really great product to help kind of give it the moisture that it needs, helps with damage and all of the things. So I would say if you're trying to decide which to get, grab this one. You can use it in combination with just your normal shampoo and conditioner. I get asked questions on my lashes all of the time about length, mascara, all the things. The Grande Lash Serum is a part of the sale. You guys, if you have thin lashes, maybe you've had damage to your lashes, maybe you're using lash extensions right now and you're trying to like get away from that, definitely give the Grande Lash Serum a try. All you do at night is just apply it to your lashes. And if you want quicker results, you can do it in morning and night. On deal right now. I also have started to use their primer and their mascara, which are also incredible. I don't think they're a part of this deal though, but the Honest Beauty primer and mascara combo that I have shared for 2 or 3 years now is also a part of the deal. I love this. It's amazing for summer if you have travel because it has the primer and the mascara in one little tube. And I tell you guys, this gives the most length to your lashes. Like the wand gets so close to your lash line, it helps give you that length. Definitely give this one a try. Now is the time to stock up on your favorite lip mask and moisturizer. This is the Lage Lip Sleeping Mask. You guys know I don't go to bed without putting this on every single night. It gives you that glowy, plump lip look without, you know, any tingling that like lip plumpers can get. I mean, this has taken Amazon by storm. The amount of reviews on this is incredible. They do have a few formulas, a few different, I never know what to say, like scents, flavors. I don't know. This is vanilla. I also like the pink tube that doesn't have like any scent or anything to it, but a little bit goes a long way. This will go on your nightstand and be an every night use. And then I do take the lip balm with me every single day just to kind of apply throughout the day if need be. But that summer sun definitely dries my lips out, so this is a favorite. Let's talk bio oil. So if you are pregnant or you know someone who's expecting, or if you just have some stretch marks or scars that you would like to try to kind of fade over time, bio oil, I have sworn by this. It is so amazing. I am, again, really picky with oils. I don't like that greasy feel. This is the most lightweight oil I have ever used. There's a reason why this is a bestseller. So I use this on my tummy when I was pregnant, as well as my hips, because I can tend to get some stretch marks there as well. And I got no stretch marks on my tummy. Now I know that can be kind of hereditary, but this is also great for scars, helping fade them over time. You just have to be consistent. My favorite toothbrush, I'm absolutely hooked on this. My dentist was trying to get me switched over to an electric toothbrush for the longest time, and I drug my feet because they were so uncomfortable on my gums. They would like tickle and would just really, really bother me until I tried this Oral-B one. I think 2 Prime days ago, I got this one. It's a circular movement and it does not bother my gums and it effectively cleans my teeth. I've not gotten a cavity since. That's amazing. And you can just replace the replacement heads every few months. Must have. Every single night that I wash my hair, I use the Unite Detangler. In 7 seconds is what they claim that it just transformed your hair. It is the best detangler, lightweight, effective, moisturizing, helps with frizz, all of the things. And a little bit goes a long way. This is an 8 fluid ounce. I have used this, I don't even know. I've had this bottle forever, I feel. And it still has plenty left in there. Especially in the summer months when our hair, you know, the sun, things, it can get dry pretty easily. This is a great addition to your hair care routine. But speaking of a really good shampoo conditioner, the BioLage Color Safe line, I have been using this for years. If you have color treated hair, I specifically love this line. It's a really good formula for obviously helping prolong your color and not strip it, but also kind of gives you that volume you need without weighing your hair down, but also giving it moisture. So I'm very picky when it comes to hair care products. If you guys have watched for a while, you know that. But this line is another incredible one. And this bottle is huge. It lasts you forever. So I will definitely be restocking. I'm really impressed by the hair appliances that are included in this sale. You're also seeing the Dyson hair dryer, a part of the deal, which is great. I feel like these items rarely run on deal, so now is a great time to snag them. And then also the T3 curling iron, guys, amazing. But again, a little bit of a pricier hair appliance, but the actual technology on this is better for your hair than other kinds. I feel like it curls my hair quicker. It gives it that shine that it needs. And I use the 1-inch barrel on my hair. So they're a little bit tighter right when I start, but then they will kind of fall and be a little bit more beachy, loose waves, you know, the next day and the day after. If you're looking for a good summer lip gloss that's lightweight, not sticky, the formula just is long wearing, the NYX Butter Glosses, I've been using these for ever since high school. They're my go-to. Today I'm wearing the Cream Brulee. You can get a pack of 3. They're on deal. They have a really nude one. As far as the colors, it comes with a little berry one, which gives just a little bit of color. They have Madeline, which is a neutral one, and then Cream Brulee, which is almost out for me. I wear this literally daily. It's my favorite kind of like a nude pinky tone that gives a little bit of color to your lips, but it's just like the perfect everyday, no makeup lip gloss to apply. I used to be so scared of cleansing oils. In my mind, I thought, do not apply an oil to your skin. Elena, your sensitive skin, it will break out in an instant. Until I found this one from the Solwell Sue line. So their cleansing foam is incredible too, but then also their cleansing oil. So when you put the oil on, you get ready, you know, you could take your makeup, you just rub your fingers in with the makeup on, and then I will just rinse my face, and I kid you not, it removes makeup like nothing else. And then I will go through with the foaming cleanser just to make sure I get all of the oil off of my skin. That is honestly the key to a lot of breakouts, is getting that oil, the makeup out of your pores at night, and this combo is key. And also, if you're looking for blowout style hair at home, check out the Dry Bar brush. This is a game changer for kind of just giving you that blowout look at home that you would get at the salon. And this one, again, the technology on this one is better than the more affordable option that's been really popular on Amazon. This one I feel like doesn't damage your hair as much as, I think it's the Conair one, but this one, great. I love this brand. And again, less damage than the other one. I feel like when I used the no, it was the Rev one that's really popular. It like made my hair feel super dry. My hair was like just frizzy after it, and I didn't like it, but that's not the case with this one. My favorite body wash, again, this has been just a repurchase for me on Amazon. The Method body wash is a little bit of a cleaner body wash option. I love this gray one. It just has this really light scent, but it does come in a bunch of different scent options if you want to check those out as well. I love that it's a pump style, and a little bit goes a long way. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more things Amazon fashion, deals, all of the things, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a future video, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.